Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to find listing agent contact information in Propwire. So to do that, make sure you log in into your Propwire account from the website, which is propwire.com. Sign in using your email and password. Then from the dashboard, you have to click the search properties. Then from there, you have to find the property though. So to search a property, search for address using the city, zip code, then browse the results to find the property you are interested in. Then after that, you have to open the property details. So to do that, click on the property to open its detail page and view full information about the properties. Then after that, you can locate the listing agent section. So scroll down until you see the listing agent or agent information. Then from there, you'll find the agent's name, the phone number, the email, sometimes their brokerage details. Then you can save the contact for future outreach or export the property data if you are building a lead list. And that's how you can easily find listing agent contact information in Propwire. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.